Wee doggy, start that bad thing boy up. Tegan, look out. Tegan, no. Motorized bar steel. Tegan, you're gonna get hurt. Look out, buddy. Look out, buddy.
It's the Saturday in England.
Tegan, get away from that. Fuck. Get away from that wheel. You're gonna get hurt. I think it's moving, buddy. Grip and rip it on that thing. Fuck it. Blow the engine. Let's do this. Motorhead. Test run. Take my lighter out of my pocket. Oh, that's sick. My dog's gonna fucking attack this thing. Tegan, what are you doing? I swear I heard Mom over there hooting and hollering. Uh-oh, Mom's coming, we're in trouble. We'll get him then. Tegan, enough. Hey, hey.
You're hilarious.
Stay.
Go, boy.
Ah.